Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For everyone who's new to the channel, hi guys, my name is Trishna and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, travel. Basically I try and incorporate everything on my channel. So if this is your interest area, please do hit that subscribe button because subscription is absolutely free. And if you are new to the page and do not follow me on my Instagram, there are social media links down below, so you can go and hit that follow button on my social media as well. As you've already read the title, this look is all about glow and glamour kind of look for Diwali if you're planning for. So without doing a lot of talking, let's get on the video and see how I have created this look. So today I'm already wearing my outfit. I've already moisturized my skin. Everything is ready. This beautiful outfit is from Kalki. So today I'm gonna start off with MAC's strobing liquid because I want little bit of shimmery kind of look on my face. So I'm adding a bit of strobing liquid, which I'm gonna blend it so it will give me this natural looking glow from within before I apply my foundation. Now that I'm done with my strobing liquid, you can already see a lot of highlight that's popping right through the screen. So now I'm gonna go in with my next step, which is concealing, and today I'm using Revlon's Color Stay. I am in 04 medium, and take small little sponge and dab away all the concealer. So now that my concealer is set, I'm gonna set it with a setting powder, and today I'm using My Glam's Glow to Glamour Finesse powder. They have two powders in it. One is the setting powder and second is more of a highlighting powder. So I'm gonna take my small little sponge and dab all of this and dab it under my eyes. Now my concealer is set with the setting powder. I'm gonna start off with my eyeshadow, and today I'm using NYX Perfect Filter. This is one of my, I guess, first palettes that I bought. Actually I had a previous palette, but somehow that got contaminated because of what do you call, like all the fungus and stuff. So today I'm using this color right here, which will go in the inner corners as well as on the outside. So I don't know what is this color actually called, but let's call it a light orange. My orange color is set right there. I'm gonna go in with my second color, which is right here. This is more of a brownish color that I'm going for. I'm leaving the center part as it is because, as I mentioned earlier, that's where the magic happens. I'm gonna take my blending brush and blend out all the harsh lines that are there. And I'm going to repeat the same process on my left eye as well. So my brown is set. I'm going to go in with a little bit of gold because what is Diwali without a little bit of shimmer here and there. So I'm going to go in for this color. This will be placed right in the center. So now that my gold is set, I'm going to go in for one of the most beautiful colors. This is the palette that I'm using. This is So Jaded from Colourpop. This is their Kathleen Lights collaboration, and this is the color which I'm going for. This is called Topaz, and this will again go on the gold that I have already placed, and I'm just gonna press the color on the gold. So today I'm using this foundation. This is from Seri and I am in shade F3 Sand. This kind of foundation, which is a stick foundation, is more for oily kind of skin, and today my skin is bit of oily, so I'm using this particular foundation. This is a very beautiful foundation. I've already reviewed these products on my YouTube, so in case if you have missed out watching the review, you can click somewhere right here. So my foundation is set. I'm gonna go for a bit of cream contouring. So today I'm using Nudies from Nude Stick, and I'm using the shade Deep, which is in 8. I'm gonna accentuate my cheekbones a bit. I'm gonna give little warmth around my temple area as well. Contouring is done. I'm gonna go in for my favorite part, which is blush, and today I'm using Nudies Matte, and this is from Nude Stick. This is from Sephora, and I am in Sun Kissed, and this is how the color looks like. It's a beautiful shade. It's more of a dark maroon kind of color, but it looks very flush when it is applied on the skin. So I'm gonna go around my cheeks. And this particular product comes with a inbuilt brush, so you just take small little brush which is there and blend it out. So for my highlighter, today I'm using MyGlam's Spotlight. This is the liquid highlighter. I'm just going to take very little of it because this one takes a lot of time to blend and sometimes it cracks up. So I'm just going to take very little. This much is enough for the highlighting. I'm not using any sponge, I'm just using my fingers to dab all the product. So my highlighter is popping right through the camera and the screen. So I am yet left to do my under eye area. So I'm going to repeat the same process that I have repeated over my lid and going to finish this look. So my under eyes are done and I'm going to go in with my mascara. So this is from Deborah Milano. This is their volume and length mascara. Last but definitely not the least is the lipstick, and today I'm using MyGlam's Lip Collection. This is shade 25 Ship and I'm going to top it off with a transparent gloss. So I'm going to top it off with a transparent gloss which is a bit of shimmery. This is from Bolly Glow. So this is the final look that I have created for the cool and glamorous kind of Diwali if you are looking for, and this is the final outcome of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do give a big fat thumbs up. If you have yet not subscribed to my YouTube, please do hit that subscribe button because subscription is absolutely free. If you want me to make more such videos like makeup videos and stuff, please do leave that comment as well. And if you are yet not following me on my Instagram, there are social media links linked down below, so you can go and hit that follow button on my Instagram as well. Until the time I come back, please do take care of yourself, wash your hands, sanitize, wear your mask and go out, and a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year to you and your family. Until the time I come back, please do take care of yourself and miss me.